Hi Micafam, MYRA here. Kung last video, tinuro ko sa inyo step by step paano mag-request ng Union Bank debit card. Since dumating na nga siya, share ko na rin sa inyo paano i-activate yung ating Union Bank debit card. And of course, gaano nga ba katagal yung hinintay ko bago dumating yung card ko after kong mag-request ng Union Bank debit card. Kung gusto nyo malaman, please keep on watching. And by the way guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung previous video ko, how to request for a card 2021, link will be in the description. So yun na nga guys, tayo ay nag-request ng Union Bank debit card August 18, that was Wednesday. And nung August 25, Wednesday, na-receive ko na yung aking Union Bank debit card guys. As per the app guys, delivery of the Union Bank debit card will take 7 to 10 banking days. Pero as per experience, it only took 5 banking days po. So sobrang bilis. Now guys, once scheduled na ng delivery na inyong Union Bank debit card, makaka-receive po tayo ng SMS or ng call from the courier. Sa case ko, entrego po yung ating courier. And just present a valid ID to effect delivery. Valid ID details must be supplied in the FAR-I system or ePod. Kung card holder ka, kailangan meron kang sarili mong valid ID. Kung representative ka naman, ibig sabihin hindi ikaw yung card holder, kailangan any adult with valid ID. Include full name po with relationship to card holder or designation. Example, if mother ka nung card holder, no LOA required or letter of authorization guys. Pero for supplementary cards, only principal card holder can assign representative and sign in LOA or letter of authorization. Alright, so guys, andito tayo sa ating Union Bank account and punta lang tayo dito sa Play Everyday Debit natin. Tap lang natin yan. Madadirect po tayo dito. As you can see, since tayo ay naka-request na ng card, ang makikita natin dito will be, please activate your card na. And since na-receive na nga natin yung ating card nung, lalagay ko na lang dito sa screen, activate na natin siya. So, tap lang natin yan. After nyan, activate card. Lagay natin dito yung 16 digits card number natin. Makikita natin to sa ating card. Yung expiry date, yung valid through guys ha, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. And yung birth date po natin. After nyan, tap next po. And makaka-receive po tayo ng OTP. Okay, 38118. And ayan na guys, congratulations! Successfully activated na po yung ating card. Back to dashboard lang tayo. And once activated na yung ating Union Bank card, pwede na natin itong gamitin pang bayad sa grocery or department store. And pwede na rin tayong makapag-withdraw sa any banknet ATMs nationwide po. Yung ating Union Bank card comes with a default PIN po. And kung gusto nyo malaman saan makikita yon, ilalagay ko na lang din yung link down in the description. And kung gusto nyo mag-change ng inyong Union Bank card PIN, which is very recommended for safety and security ng ating card, then you can watch it down below as well. So anyway, ganun lang guys, kasimple. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. So dito sa ating, pwede na natin itong gamitin para bumili. Ilalagay ko na lang dito.